5. Women and Energy Transition. When the energy transition is socially conscious and just, it can also promote gender equality, as the two are interconnected and can reinforce each other. Those designing energy transition interventions must consider existing socio-economic, cultural, and institutional gaps in the measures they adopt to avoid excluding any gender, especially women. In India, policy makers should account for the fact that women, particularly from marginalized communities and gender-diverse individuals, disproportionately experience energy poverty and the effects of the climate crisis. That women are underrepresented in decision-making in the energy sector. That the energy sector is male-dominated, with women making up 76% fewer workers than men. Even when women work in the sector, they earn 15% less than men at the same skill level. Women's contributions are vital to the success of a just energy transition and the transformation of economies and societies. The ability of women and girls to take action and build resilient futures depends on removing structural and systemic barriers and closing gender gaps. However, their voices often go unheard and they are not always recognized for their agency. This lack of recognition can prevent their participation in committees or task forces, and when they do contribute, their efforts may not be valued. Additionally, when resources are scarce or absent, gender parity becomes the obvious casualty. International guidelines, such as those from the International Labour Organization (ILO), offer approaches to address these power imbalances, including creating policy spaces, ensuring finance, providing skill training, and fostering a secure and enabling environment. Women outside the workforce face even greater challenges, with energy poverty being a major challenge to tackle as an integral part of the energy transition. In the past 2 decades, India has made significant strides in providing near-universal household access to electricity, with more than 900 million citizens now being connected. But energy poverty remains a pressing issue, with some areas facing unreliable power supply or no electricity at all. Even those with access to clean, modern energy sources often struggle to afford it. Energy poverty has wide-ranging effects on health, economic opportunities, and overall quality of life, particularly of women. This is so because Indian women are typically responsible for energy-intensive household tasks, such as cooking, fetching water, and heating. In homes with limited or no access to electricity, these tasks become labor-intensive and time-consuming, increasing their daily burden. This also limits their opportunities for education and employment, reinforcing cycles of poverty and gender inequality. A critical yet often overlooked aspect of energy poverty is the lack of access to clean cooking solutions. Traditional biomass cooking methods relying on firewood, dung, or crop residues remain common in many rural and urban poor households. These methods generate indoor air pollution, leading to respiratory illnesses and other health issues, particularly affecting women and children. A decent, healthy, and equitable life is possible only through access to clean, modern energy, and we saw how this is particularly so for women. Decentralized renewable energy solutions could revolutionize energy access for those in women's self-help groups and small-scale enterprises, opening up new economic opportunities. Solar home systems, microgrids, and biomass gasifiers can provide reliable and affordable energy, empowering women to manage their energy needs and boost their incomes. For example, women running small businesses such as tailoring, food processing, or handicrafts could thrive if electricity for lighting, refrigeration, and machinery were reliable. This would increase productivity, extend working hours, and stabilize income. Self-help groups could launch new ventures like solar charging stations or community biogas plants, generating additional income and supporting sustainable development. A gender-just energy transition supported by inclusive climate action can play a transformative role in reshaping gender norms and advancing gender equality in India. It also ensures that women have the opportunity to actively participate in combating climate change while contributing to green growth through emerging income-generating opportunities.